the way I do it personally is I would do an exercise called transcript training if I want to understand natives, which is basically watching native content with accurate subtitles and then searching up every word so that I can basically match the native words with how they're written and then understand the written stuff as well. This way, it sort of bridges the gap between what you hear from natives and then what is actually written, and then what is actually written to what you understand. And that's how you understand natives, okay? You don't get better at understanding natives by reading, you get better at understanding natives by listening to natives. So that's how I do it. For practicing speaking, the way I do it is through a framework like I like to call a narrative I may contemplate, which is basically my framework for speaking. And then whenever I don't understand something, I basically search it up using DeepL, or you can even use AI for understanding. And so the way I would speak is I would narrate something, elaborate on that thing, and then contemplate. And this is because it emulates a conversation. In the beginning, this is going to be slow, but slowly but surely it will get faster and faster because you'll just get better and better at expressing yourself in Spanish. Slow output is still output. And so to get better at something, it will be slow in the beginning, but that's the whole point, right? But if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.